Imagine this, every time you take a step or move your arm, energy is generated right there on your body. This isn't sci-fi, it's the future of wearables. Scientists are already turning motion and heat into power, but how close are we to charging our devices just by being alive? Your body isn't just producing sweat, it's generating power. Researchers are developing biofuel cells that convert the energy in your perspiration into electricity, potentially extending battery life for wearables, or even charging small devices. But how efficient is this process, and what challenges still lie ahead? Every movement you make, your steps, your gestures, even the warmth of your body, could one day power your devices without us.
Right now, the tech can't keep up with demand, leaving us stuck in a world where wearables still need traditional batteries, at least for the foreseeable future. Imagine stepping out of a workout, your fitness tracker already charged, no cord, no outlet, just pure energy from your effort. Scientists are closing in on this vision with biofuel cells that harvest power from sweat. But there's a catch. Our bodies aren't built for high-output energy. Right now, the tech can barely keep up with demand, leaving us stuck between innovation and reality. But what if this same technology could do more than track your workout? What if it could power medical devices that keep us alive and healthy, without ever needing a chart?
And if it does, what will that mean for our